Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I'm bringing you a quick bonus tip tonight from a question I just saw on Facebook from Tressa regarding an A-frame that wants, I believe I'm understanding, we want an A-frame with these two gables toward the front or rear of the house here. I'm doing my best to try to kind of recreate the model that that I'm seeing based on this view of the roof plan. So this is not the roof plan that Tressa shared. It's just a creation of what I did here. So what I'm showing is that I drew this shape of a floor plan. So I've got this ridge here, there. I've got this ridge here across here. And then this line, this dashed line right here, represents where this is the gable end for this. And this is the gable end for this right here. What I'm assuming you're wanting is you're wanting the line to go here and here. So this gable end needs to come all the way out and meet up with this line here. So this, I'm going to highlight these by changing the wall types. Wall types, I'm going to go with new like this. So these blue walls are gable ends, just because I've changed the wall types. What you're going to want to do is drag this wall here, what I'm calling the front wall, over to this edge and this edge. This is the way I would do it anyway. There's other ways to do it. You could take this line and drag it, this CAD line, and drag it up there and do that. But by dragging the wall, then it connects with this wall here. So I'm just going to take this gable wall and drag it up to that connecting wall and drag this one up to the connecting wall. And then I'm going to just take this back to where it should go, like so. And let's build our roof planes. There you go. Now you're getting rid of the hips. So now this gable, this roof plane here, just extends all the way over to that line right there, and we're creating the valley this way. I hope that's helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe. Let me know if you've got any other questions. Take care. Bye-bye.